programming languages for remote jobs.
Remote work has become increasingly popular in the tech industry. Choosing the right programming language can open up a world of remote and freelance opportunities. Let's explore which languages are most sought after by companies hiring remote programmers and why these skills lead to successful global careers.
JavaScript, the web's powerhouse.
JavaScript is essential for web development, powering both front-end and back-end projects. Its versatility with frameworks like React, Node.js, and Vue.js makes JavaScript developers highly valued for remote web applications and startups. Companies worldwide look for JavaScript skills, making it one of the top choices for remote job seekers.
Python, flexible and widely used.
Python's simplicity and versatility have made it dominant in web development, data science, and automation. Its broad usage and strong community support result in a high volume of remote Python jobs, from entry-level scripting to advanced machine learning roles. Python is especially popular for contract and freelance assignments.
Java, reliable for enterprise and freelance.
Java remains crucial for enterprise backend systems, Android apps, and cloud solutions. Its stability and scalability are valued by companies that manage distributed teams. Many businesses seek remote Java developers for ongoing support, application modernization, and new development, offering steady remote positions and projects.
TypeScript and other in-demand languages.
TypeScript, often used alongside JavaScript for added reliability, is increasingly requested in remote jobs, especially for large code bases. Other valuable languages include Go and Ruby, both favored in startups and remote-first organizations. Diversifying your skills can help access a wider range of remote roles.
Choosing the best language for you.
Consider your background, interests, and career goals when selecting a language. While JavaScript and Python are top contenders, success in remote work involves continuous learning and collaborating across time zones. Focusing on in-demand languages ensures you stay competitive in the growing world of remote programming opportunities.